Hey, Mark the Meerkat here. Merry Christmas, everyone. Here we are with the trade of the day from the Grok Day Trading Chat Room, brought to you by Grok Trade. It was on GSK, and they were up big here in pre-market, but it kept coming down here and hitting $39. Hit it again, $39. Then right here is where the market opened, and it's back to $39. So I said, let's set a trade to go short. If it breaks that 39, I want to get in. Let's see what happened next. And survey says, bam, there we go. And I'm now in at 38.91 short on GSK. And so I go ahead and I set my stop here just above all of these moving averages in the $39 area, less than 1%. And let's see what happened after that. Sure enough, fell. Bam, bam, bam. Now it's basing down here, keeps hitting this 38.55 area. And so I set up a trade to take out half of my short position. And then I went ahead and I hit the button and boop, error, error, error. I made an error. Instead of a buy order to cover half, I ended up with a sell order. So I just sold another half lot. So now I'm short a full lot and a half lot. So I immediately pull my stop down and I change it to, so now it's for all the shares that I'm now short. And that is an error though, folks. It's an error. Whether I make money on it or not is irrelevant. It's an error. But now I need to manage it. So I have an in-the-money stop on my first full lot, and I am not quite to less than 1% on my second half lot. Let's see how where it goes from here. Well, then it started to fall. Now I'm bringing my stop down to break even for my half lot, and I'm now about 1% in the money on my full lot size. Again, this stop order, buy to cover, is for all of the shares that I'm now short. And let's see here, if it goes down, it goes down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow this 8 EMA down here now, and now I'm in the money on both of them. And in the money, I'm just following this 8 EMA down here. And it seemed to find some support here, and then whoop, boom, popped right up, and right here popped up and stopped me out of both of the parts of the trade at 38.48 on both lots. So let's take a look at the trade again. It was low basing down here. When it broke the $39, I got short, and then I had an error where I ended up going short another half lot, and I ended up making money on both of them. But again, it was an error. So on the first lot, I was at 1.1%, and on the half lot, then I was plus 0.4%. The full lot equivalent on that would be 0.2%. So my total trade here was for 1.3% in 12 minutes. So we were struggling a little bit this week here in the day trading chat room. Today we ended up not doing a lot of trades, about 6 trades. Everyone's waiting for the Fed to make their announcement this afternoon, so it's really quiet this morning. Here are the first 2 trades that I have. 2E with an E on it means error. And then we just had a few other trades. So we ended up at 6.2% for the day. But look at that, 100% success rate. Very unusual. Actually, like I said, we've been struggling this week. We've just been barely in the green here the first 2 days. And overall for the entire week, even having 100% success rate today, we were only at 57%. Our target is 60. And we're only at 7.2% for the week so far. But, every day is a different day. And this error, by the way, represents the number 7th error that I've made out of the over 1,200 called trades that I've had in the chat room this year. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat. Just from everybody here at Grok Trade, we want to wish you the merriest of all Christmases, and may your winners run.